Hey everyone, I'm Lily. Welcome to my channel. Today I want to show you how to make this scrunchie. I use elastic hair tie, velvet yarn, 6 millimeters velvet yarn, 6 millimeters hook. Tie yarn like this. I show. Fix this yarn. Take working yarn on your finger like this. Hide this yarn under a stitch. Insert your hook into hair tie. Take this yarn, pull up yarn. We have one loop on hook. Yarn over, pull up yarn, add one chain. Insert your hook into this hair tie. Take this yarn, pull up yarn. Now we have 2 yarns on hook. Yarn over, pull through 2 yarns together. Make single crochet. Go to this hair tie, pull up yarn. Make single crochet stitch around hair tie. Hide tail up yarn under a stitch. Take this yarn, pull up yarn, pull through 2 yarns together, single crochet. Repeat, pull up yarn, pull through 2 yarns together, pull up yarn, pull through 2 yarns together, and repeat. I made this stitch. I have we can count from these loops. We have 2 loops look like a chain in top of a stitch. I have 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20 21 22 23. I make one more, 24 single crochet in here. Insert your hook into first stitch. Take these loops on your hook. Insert your hook into first stitch, pull up yarn, slip stitch. Make 1 2 chains. Go to second row. Yarn over, go to same stitch in here in first stitch. Pull up yarn, yarn over, pull through 2 yarns together, yarn over, pull through 2 yarns together, yarn over, go to same stitch, pull up yarn. We have 3 yarns on hook, pull through 2 yarns together, pull through 2 yarns together. We make 2 double crochet stitches with these chains. We have 1 2 3 stitches in first stitch. Repeat, go to next stitch. take these loops on your hook, pull up yarn, pull through 2 yarns together, pull through 2 yarns together, yarn over, go to same stitch, pull up yarn, pull through, yarn over, go to same stitch, pull up yarn, pull through, make 1 2 3 stitches in next stitch, yarn over, go to next stitch, pull up yarn, pull through in same stitch, in same stitch. We make 1 2 3 in each stitch. Repeat, go to next stitch, 1 double crochet, 2 double crochet, 3 double crochet in next stitch, 1 double crochet, 2 double crochet, 3 double crochet in next stitch, 1 double crochet, 2 double crochet, 3 double crochet. We have 1 2 3 double crochet in each single crochet. Repeat like this for this round. I made until here. I show in last stitch, go to last stitch, 1 double crochet, 2 double crochet, 3 double crochet. I made 72 stitches in here. In here we have chains. Go to top of these chains, take these loops on your hook, pull up yarn, slip stitch, hide this yarn under stitch. I show weight up this scrunchie, 18 grams.